Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and accounts. Plug the capture device into Chromebook USB-C, make sure the device supports video input, some only output. Once done, connect Ps4 HDMI to the capture device, then the capture device to the Chromebook. Make sure Ps4 is powered and signed into your PSN account. Enable remote play in settings if you plan to use the network method. You want low latency, so prefer a wired router connection for both devices. Next, configure software. If using a capture device, open its app on the Chromebook, select the HDMI input, and set the resolution to match the Ps4, 1080p at 60Hz when possible. If using Ps4 Remote Play, launch the app, sign into PSN, and pair with the console. You may need to register the Ps4 manually. Once paired, adjust bitrate and frame buffer settings to trade quality for smoother motion. Make sure other apps aren't hogging CPU or bandwidth. Finish by confirming audio and controller behavior. Route audio through the Capture app or Chrome OS sound settings so you get both game and chat audio. Test and adjust volume. Once connected, check controller input. Connect the DualShock via USB for the most reliable response or pair Bluetooth if supported. If you encounter lag, reduce remote play bitrate, choose USB 3.0 capture, or move both devices to wired Ethernet. Remember, restarting apps or the capture device often clears hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.